Our next best practice is image and video embeds. We're moving more into the rich media side of things now. And it's actually more easy than you think. Always include an image, period. And then there's no reason to not include an image. Host the image on the target site so that client website have the image on it. Doesn't have to be linked anywhere on it, but it should be on it. And it should not be to us, because we want, when that image gets traction on Google and when it shows up in like an image search or something like that, we want it to go to their website. We don't want the Press Advantage Amazon S3 bucket to show up as the host for that. There's no reason to send that link equity back to us, no matter how much it is or how little it may be. 100% use that opportunity to get that back to your client, and then use a good branded alt text. So whatever sounds relevant, just make sure that the brand is in there as well. You don't want to miss out on that extra brand mention, because it does get when an image gets clicked through, say, they're going to look at that and they're going to, that branded anchor is relevant for that. Include a video if you can. You may not want to start right away with a video, but you'll definitely want to add one as soon as possible. If possible, to just get a little 5-minute video done before you send out the very first press release, I would recommend that. It doesn't have to be specific to the topic at hand, so it can just be a general video about the company. So even if part of your SOP is make sure that client gets a 5-minute intro video up on their YouTube channel, and then you're just going to embed that in every single press release, that's fine too. But if you're sending out a press release about a case study, say, and they have a video component to that, embed that video into the press release about that case study, even if you're linking back to a text version of the case study, for example. So kind of get creative here with what you do, but if you can embed a video, embed it, period. The only requirement, so to speak, is that it's a branded video. YouTube hosted only. We do support Vimeo, so if you really wanted to use Vimeo, you can. But there's no SEO value to hosting an image or a video on Vimeo. You're going to get a lot of value out of hosting it on YouTube. It's going to start ranking better. You may get some click-through views and stuff that is going to help that YouTube channel thrive a little bit more. So there is absolutely no reason to not host it on YouTube.